Knife heads, how's it going this Monday morning? I this video is gonna be a little late getting out to y'all, but it is what it is. Uh, yeah, I'm at work. You guys see, I got a lot to do. Yeah, see, look here. Put the chair together. Put this together. That was already together, but I had to put the wheels on it. This turtle cage, rabbit cage. That shelf. Look here. We even got a couch. Come on. Alright, let's get into a review. Well, it ain't a review. It's pretty much just showing y'all what I'm toting today. And I think y'all is going to like it. So if you would, hit the red button. It's the classy button. Hit the little blue one, I think it is, for the thumbs up. Help your boy get out there. Ain't no sense of doing it if nobody else can't see my stuff, right? That's what I've been told. You gotta hit the like button to get me out there. So, for all my knife heads that likes watching my content, enjoys it, that lets you get away for 10 minutes a day, help your boy out. Share it, like it, comment. That's all I got. I guess this was the intro. So now let's get into the pocket dump. Come on. Let me find a place to sit you guys down. I'm using a new stand. It's one you gotta hold in your hands. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Before I get started showing these, I just want to say I want all the prayers to go out from people over in Corbin or London. There's been a shooter on I-75. He's been out and about for the last 2 days now. They still can't find him. They found his car, and yeah, I just hope everything's okay. I know there's 4 casualties, 4 people's deceased, and they shutting schools down all around us. That's only 45 minutes away from us. Not even. Maybe 35. Depends on how fast you drive. So, I just want to say my thoughts and prayers go out to them families and to the law. I hope you guys find him and get this stopped. They say he's part of one that happened in Alabama, I think it was. Something like that. He killed somebody in, I think it was Alabama. And now he come over here and he's just sitting in the woods, head shooting people when they drive by on the interstate. I-75. Blows my mind. How could people do that to people? Innocent people. I don't know. Sorry, guys. I just had to say that. It's crazy. It's been on my mind. Me and my wife's been keeping up with the story. Mainly my wife. But then she keeps me in the loop. Alright, let's get into it. Y'all know I love my knife crazy slip. I don't shy away from it. It's one of my faves. And what's in it? It is my GEC Trapper. 1 of 50. Limited edition. Northfield. UnXL'd. So I'm guessing this is a stainless steel too. It says Inox Works. It says Tito Inox Works. I think that means stainless. But I got number 35. Number 35. If I can get it where it'll show. 35 out of 50. And it's burnt orange bone. I know y'all think I'm probably crazy for packing it. 1 of 50, but to be honest, I probably won't never use it. I just like packing it. Right there it says 1 of 50. On the spade blade it says Great Eastern Cutlery 735209. It's got half stops. Now this spade blade is a little weak. It's a little weak. Got fluted bolsters. It's got squared off bolsters. Look at that. Brass brass pins, brass liners. UnXL'd for the shield. You guys want to see more about this? I'll bring it up. I got a letter of authenticity with it and everything. It's the real deal. Come on. Can't beat it. Oh yeah. I've been packing the giveaway knife, guys. I'm sorry. I can't help it. For some reason I like that little bugger. I know. I know what y'all's thinking. You're giving it away, so why are you carrying it? I can't help it. It's the RR Half Hawk. I need to hurry up and give it away. What I need to do. Y'all help me give this thing away. I got 4 now. I need 1 more. And when I get 5 and I hit that magic 2K, one person, or you guys can let me know how you want me to do it. Do one person 5, or do the first one 3, then there'll be a runner up gets 2. Y'all let me know which way's better. I would appreciate it. That's all I got for today. Just everybody think about all these people out here is getting shot and killed. It's a crazy time in this world right now. Y'all, stay classy. You hear?